After watching this video, you will be able to use the e-form for software installation through Help Desk system. To request for software installation effectively and efficiently, go to Help Desk system. Click on Request to Service. Go to Software Installation tab. Click on Software Installation. Fill the needed information here. Then press on Add Request. Now you need an approval from your report to person. An email will be received by the report to person. The report to person must click for approval. The IT department must approve the request. A request will be queued and assigned to the support team to deliver the service. To summarize, first, click on Request to Service. Second, go to Software Installation tab. Third, fill the needed information, then add the request. The request will be handled after approval.